PhishAlarm is available across campus as a quick and easy way to report phishing emails. It is available on all UCR Outlook and our mail accounts. Using PhishAlarm is simple. When you receive a suspicious message, click the PhishAlarm button in your email program. Your submission will be confirmed and the email will be sent to the UCR Information Security Office for review. The exact steps for using PhishAlarm will differ based on the email program you are using. Outlook users will find the icon on their toolbar when viewing an email. Our mail users will find it by opening the side panel, which can be accessed by selecting the button at the bottom right of the screen. PhishAlarm is also available on iOS and Android devices. For Outlook users, it is accessible when using the Outlook app, which can be downloaded from either Google Play or the Apple App Store. For Gmail users, the PhishAlarm button can be found when using the Gmail app. To get step-by-step guidance on using PhishAlarm, visit the ITS knowledge base and search for PhishAlarm. Thank you for watching.